marry. Oh, you carry your husband cut it off. People help you to go on.
They man. I would be analyzing. Why you they bring the matter? Why you they bring a comment?
You can't bring the matter come media. Not be waiting they do the
so everybody go analyze. We go after.
Queen, normal queen. Obvious son.
Social media.
They know the for the big boy get dread the van on.
Don't get shame.
Oh, be your boy. Avec desperado. You carry big nash, you not get sense. Your sense na your yash dey. Wow.
That is big nash. That is first there, my sister. That is big nash.
Your sense dey.
I want to walk in. Everybody fake accounting. No, I'm idea, you know. This kind of
if you come in, if you talk, we will cost you join. Now you carry your woman, your what is the color, your husband.
Not even insulting. They come back. You come there.
Your life video, maybe they cost your head for there. You are very useless. You carry your husband cut it up, cut the top. Person come up. He said, "Na me, Lady J."
Now you carry the matter. Now you carry the matter. When na me, Lady J. We are used to
nonsense.
Why you
drive follow?
If you come up 10 times, we will say drop you 10 times. Go on your platform, go talk rubbish, show you want to for them.
Lady J, y'all leave that woman. So you see that woman so depression the whole land. Not be she did there again.
And that bring depression, I will kill her.
They born every year. Not be every year she they born. She never go fair work. She never go to find better thing.
Lady J, I want to say something. Lady J, wait, now me and just say something. Anytime when she carry belly, now that time husband they chop me pass. Now they chop me on back to back. They chop me.
The husband side chick. How far now man for follow you?
See, mama say if you want to know your husband don't write me. The moment your husband they come, they go fish bar direct from fish bar we enter hotel. They I said that 2 years now. 2 years. That I Black is beautiful. I don't use my real account for it. I mean they chop your husband for 2 years. I dey chop one. You dey one. I dey chop one. I dey. The husband and dog and she get body odor. He get na me dey shave your husband. Your husband go come out. I go shave am. I dey shave the husband because he get body odor. I go shave am. I dey shave one. I should every year to the bone. Lady J, na every year to the bone. The husband say when he want boy, they find boy picking. They find boy, they bone. You know how many times that man go Lady J, that man go Lady J, see that man don't beg me, make me born, give her born, and I mean they told say I don't want agree born. He say your people they smell. He say your people they smell.
If you born for her, I go say make you baby mama, I go drop you.
You know me, I go to pay me water hands every month. You go to pay me water hands every month. They wine. I go chop your husband before your husband come out. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. The day we be say the quarrel last. Black is beautiful. Wait now. The day we be say the quarrel last. Big Lady J, when you wait now. The day we be say the quarrel last. When we be say your husband come out for house on Friday, as you they come for work, you can come out, you can go book hotel, can come back on Sunday. Now me, now my birthday period, now me deal with. Now me deal with. Now my prick. Now me get time. If he reach us, may continue. But if he deal with me, he dey catch out. You dey one, you dey craze. Your husband
this period that everywhere get the way they not bet the husband that you dey analyze that so that you get the prick so that
you get time. Yes, and see, you know, say big Lady J. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. You know, say she now she go the reason say I not be single mother. Ask your husband. I not be single mother. So before you talk, they pack my picking money they give her. Now me, I be single girl. I not be actually.
Hello, good evening.
Now me they chop
one.
Hello, Lady J. Lao, where one lao.
Not be insult us.
He may take boy in a polite way. Well, my sister, my necessity with it.
Okay.
Me mate boy, me do wash his me mate be bonnet because he not every time. Oh, what that thing? Now they love it. Be a ba. You hear that? David be a wage. It be a me they cheat. Now some of they follow them. But we go to drive last time. We they drive car. Follow them for back. You know that can be analyzed on it. Everywhere Tana. Yeah, we driving as see ya babo bia. Lele ya here. On now when you set it with born you, God forbid bad thing. You understand? Mana it's you don't know time maybe analyze it. Okay, now I'm more way or that thing here. How about you want to be Friday or the week or the Sunday? I mean, come out only and see it. Eri one no na. Eri lele ya here. Mommy, net boy. Eri lele ya here. Eri different women.
Black is beautiful. I bet one another. He say Kpekus go come outside this evening. I bet Black is beautiful. I go follow you now. Go drop. You get one picture when he and the husband snap for window. When she dey naked. When the husband dey naked, I go forward and give you. And the husband broke us. You go come outside now. He's somebody wait for you. Or yeah, drop our own. Make your husband all fall out. Drop our own. Make your husband all fall out.
Follow me back.
It's sad. I want you to do. I want to see a bow. I want my moe. I want what that thing boy.
Who was having
Me, isn't it more than me? I'm married than Ogele here. Hey, he said it right again.
Allah, why?
No, that's a bomb. Many or you jayo. O se gbọ́ ọmọ when the measure na imana o normal tie but that is normal analyze me anything like that for me what I'm coming with imana o normal gwa ye matter na imu eladian e matter no gi ladan na social media gbe ya must analyze it. I went to analyze it because it may not it may do West Saga, it may do more than for me. Nothing to do that way. Okay, it is all that for me. A money, maybe okay. One of family, and then not that for the need down there. Or my believe why me or maybe we down. In order for me, any benefit of that, he may. The other young that show me down. I take again that another way or that for again. Love you. What's the Namana me? No, I love you. Calling me. Muzuaku. Other for a public dog, you know, a public dog, or a go ya me pay.
No, you know your time. I'm my time, man. Oh, no, you know your time.
You're singularly so small guys in the West Valley. He no why Emmy shishi. Emmy to dime obey the my Emmy. Oh, you go even more you have a cookie go more you
will take care. You won't come.
No problem.
Why test?
Okay, mommy, I'll call you back.
The man will still carry the money for us to go let guests for fish.
See, Lady J. Now you own the woman. You see, as you own this platform, now you do well. She know who they talk. As she did there, so you know who they talk. You don't call me countless times with your husband number. You can't even carry my number. Can't change number. You know who they talk. Fish bar. Oh yeah, after fish bar, now matter. Yes, I did chop on the low. I did chop on. Adi you are vulo I did chop and kill yourself. But as your husband go Nigeria, now they call me on the norm. They call me. They call me. They call me when he go Nigeria. They call me Wella. They call me. They Chris. You know what I give her? You know which kind of because you they Chris. To say now that you only don't born 5 children for everywhere. They Chris. Not be you tell your husband may marry you because you don't born.
I never know.
I they chop your husband, you kill yourself by yourself. Or more the prick sweet. Lady J, the moment that you pay your husband, Lady J, the moment that you pay your husband, you have claim my Mona, you go you claim my house rent.
Okay.
You go you claim my house rent.
I want to make a clear house rent on me.
The moment they pay, go you claim my house rent. You go carry me go fish bar, and the best place for me for house. So they crazy shopping go corner, and they give me money on the moon.
Good evening, ma.
That last birthday, wait, I'm not busting head. Queen, when you say you be queen of Germany, you remember the last birthday where your husband go, you come they ask and say people we do birthday don't go ask, why can you never do us? Now me day with that night. You remember? Kill yourself. Kill yourself. I enjoy them.
But what if they cut off for social media? You go weapon. What can you do?
The man disgrace your husband.
Why you insult me before you come they insult me? You know the shame. I don't hear that video.
Mommy, after
You don't know say you the fool your old man like that. Mommy, hey, daughter.
you're talking mommy here now.
Why
Not talking about work baby. I don't say.
And my own now.
I don't say mommy.
My own.
Shameless woman. You're not ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. Get no calendar for all that time in live video do this guy can you.
I want have a belly cut for well. This is what belly walking a lot. Way. Ula dia o wa ta le different things. Where are you going?
Mommy, any gist well. Woman gist well, mommy. I'm here, Lady J. Maybe Lady J will live it. You mean now wait Lady J when na la abandon analyze na when they see you. You not mommy wait. Emi ni on the TikTok na tell me any na we na be do one your normally as analyzer. And now we have also no I want be pa o no wa be analyze the TikTok you are aware or that or na ya dey na ya we driving license. When many time on me aware the way driving when you way driving license so ni make na fi moto le lo da fi an yeke have a married man na ni because here are ba make na le lian make na ya tracking an se ke ni ari ere o da fi pa we Friday na ya re Sunday or when ye ba me ba na be work movie 3 days e ba or da fi ye ba we Friday or ya re Sunday na la ni ati wa la jan when ni ma do gun egbe side chicken we maybe side chicken or the da fi ye give me odo wa o na we you ma ya we license
because I develop your husband go throw you ass throw those
ye ne side chicken na yo na dia o no the da fi ni ma o ni ati mi ma go na dia ye na wa you do what do I tell my sister what happen. Ihe gwa yoduku o wado awon rovi ogin Lady J o we vo sie no na analyze matien vo se na mo matien like
you're the son Lady J husband enemy
na enemy husband
I say black is beautiful the man self the man see me I tell you now Queen of Germany I know say you dey listening from there your man now don't dump am yes you know why because he not the sweet me again but that one not me say if you do anyhow we go still introduce that you know say man still they use the cat they do that Lady J big Lady J the man still they use the cat they do that small so I feel go still introduce and give another girl you know the girl no go no say you know go no say no
okay na tazi the man they do
I think
wait so Nadia na tazi the man they do
no you see they use that one as side hustle I feel use them I feel go give am to another girl the man no go no
what did she all do? I don't like her. At least she know Lady J. She can call and say, may rest for the matter. Say,
my dear, anything social media we go analyze them. Now social media we go analyze them.
Yeah, because you can't shame and disgrace. So the big man say you all get you know you all get sense.
You not get sense. You not get sense. He comment section now. He side chick. He husband side chick. Now he comment section.
You know why Nadia wait? You know why he say my husband enemy now Momo because at least
Momo better pass the one we want carry sickness can't give him.
We want carry sickness can't give him.
It better pass.
You don't ever see my husband for the fish bar.
We never see him for you. We not hey, beauty. I see my second side chick. Bring beauty up. Bring beauty. Come up. Now me and this girl gotta do threesome with your husband. Bring her up. Oh, go Bera Queenie. Me and this beauty so. Me and this beauty. They crazy. We don't enjoy your husband. We don't tire. Let me can see if our quick come outside your husband will go for that. You dey whine. You dey whine. You dey whine. Your husband will to go for laugh.
A queen of Gem, a disgrace of Gem Nine Begwaye. Come and see your shame and disgrace for you. See people who do threesome and be threesome with your husband. I will not do a Robbie Lady J. Oh yeah.
You dey hear me so beauty. Forward and give me that one. You be say your wife does for me.
Yes, don't get shit.
Forward and give me.
So women know your flesh. But some of we are there. We're not going to
That is beautiful. Black Oga, Queen of Germany, before your husband code, not be the date of birth if I put. No, not be you can change. We know everything. We they come for you, and go meet you. And go meet you. They come for you, and go meet you. Make you try May everything fall out. Beauty, say Beauty, send me that this thing, Beauty. That one will be say your husband hold his breast. It can't turn back of me and snap. Send that give me. And they come for you. Obama way.
Wow, wait, Germany guessing. If you come up, cause person, they'll cost you. Jojo.
Ekita uye deba Ekita we ye deba Ekita ekwe mbuwe
This just that for every that. Why you call you pop go you over?
Ade gwan yo wa do accomplish Baba ko we dey push you ayo na you only do gwan ekwe mwe kwini
Aka ekwe dera ho.
o pe pa yo ba dey mommy odore me other for wait am we ide o I want go fish back go groove then if you call her I don't come out today again oh yeah stay you hotel we carry you what type of social media now only you want as they do rich as you see the even I even they praise for yes yeah the queen self you get fine shape you fine why your husband will see they cheat you come here you know they insult me you dey mad who was who not do insult me most time not bad your work but more one of for work take it tie your no one never said this player
husband say na so born she dey fight boy pikin what a shame just imagine
A boy's a family now. I can't work now. They put the block.
Now wetin Nadia talk? Nadia say the man say na so born she dey born. Say she dey fight boy pikin.
If you're not the shape, people they help you the shape.
Tell us say we dey help her the shape, if she not the shape.
Although really ya fi wa gogo yo. Wa mi e.
Very well that forever on my neck make I gbe no. Ona you do am like that social media. If my husband shit I go do it like this. If my husband shit I go carry a car.
Àwọn yẹn yẹ wá pa ya ọwọ́ da fi hàn ya ge dami yo ọwọ́ da fi hàn
ya mi ewu won ku ogun meta e so ya mi ewu won ku
yẹn yẹ wá pa ya ni wa yẹn la wa ewu queen wa to those things ewu
Jesus Christ.
ewu
Imi o me o.
Ni ya ge hian
Kaka
we to talk for maths. You love my get cheap. I can use that if you go by must carry woman. I'm a big boy in a marriage. Must carry woman. Not group with the first may go ask. I rather marry you, nege, than you marry us to no.
Disgrace, they were all
shameless human being. We know the shame. Shame not going to let me enter life with the way or that for me. He do time. If we give me a thing, he do ya ke.
Oh, yeah, what fava?
Ya ke phone. Ni make na ya don't moko do ma moko. Or he do ya we drive license so I tell you what. When I marry Ekita, he better me you marry a mumunege. Oh, I'm mumule. Dano ya marry Ozuo. Ne kiaga I think describe it that forward. Ewe Oda for any self discipline. No ya agbe wo one other self discipline. Wa na ba me.
How do you like
Okay.
the
Okay.
Republic? In your cooking, my work.
What about not about Nigeria better only me. A 5 son ya wow.
Away family, one the guy, or one more way up. Wait the family, I say,
I know the family near wa baba here.
Area vision areva, or Tiana Canareva, or Tia Wegbanareva, or Tira Nareva.
Ekwe mu weapon. Ekwe ni. Negbe wo e. Ekwe mu.
Ekwe mo kwa ge ki o, kwa ge o.
When we don't say shape you we me ya. Oda for when you get ekwe mu we.
We can be Onisan, Emmanuel, Benji, Emmanuel.
Who are I don't ever analyze you. How you go analyze me? Me don't. I don't ever come out. Why me that black? You want that water for me?
No, sister, I'm wait. I'm not social media man analyze. I get ya
Why me
analyze.
that black here? You want that? That is because you marry kita. Iwe come and marry other for me na marry wa mumu dagbi. Wazua.
Zeyo.
Na no gele le ya.
They analyze the husband.
If they are with the buyer at your body, it won't be a very on it. What do I mean? Who you name my husband? You for your now you want to marry yourself if you don't know.
Public.
Yes, now public care. How do you want to marry yourself if you don't know? Only you.
No, she don't know now. She always said, my lovely husband, my dogo. Man, then we are talking like this.
You come up for us on Friday, you come back on Sunday. You shameless people say my husband. My sister, you are not married. Marriage was single, now you did. Marriage was single. Why you single?
Suffering and smiling. Marriage.
You will move
by disgrace.
Disgrace to womanhood.
Don't see your husband. People what use that he can't do carrot trees.
Well, my in Nigeria, who went away, I enjoy it. I don't tell you what we are doing.
Be a shy, be a social.
If I let it we are enjoying Nigeria, who were. We're seeing my idea. I say Nigeria, oh, never see it, oh, black you.
This one, I'll put it on the
Good evening.
Good evening, man.
A black hair in the summer.
Yeah. What's where in Nigeria? We don't enjoy that.
Seven of you. I'm a senior sister.
You know, may not know what I mean. Not what's where don't you know?
You are in Nigeria. No, we don't enjoy in Nigeria, man. Nothing bad.
We have this. We don't shame at this. Only one more last sense. Why I monitor it here?
Oh, the Agu Guan. What's the name of Guan? If not to show me the Agu, yeah, and alive. So we're right. Hey, yeah. Hey, we are missing your way. Hey, I'm missing
That's all when me and then a man, you know, football then.
Why you near? If I catch you,
know the cost. Now you know. I don't know your vest.
Ayo do me mana do ate bo ne gbe. Ne ku emu.
When we go analyze the,
Ibere ya titafia mevere dege. Yeah, you know me, my local donors they tell me say something about your
I don't like video. What are you fake account ya ade?
see me,
See, again,
on Peter, I must marry. Now, he really low self-esteem. I must marry.
that no self-esteem they worry that girl. And the worst part of it, you just get one word where she just talk with your off me. He say you when they talk my word. You when your husband they do this thing they follow you. You don't use to wash water take wash your husband head. You know better pass that your husband. Queen. He say your husband. He say your husband quiet. He go just sit down, face one place school. He say ask you. I know say this girl
very quiet person. Doctor. Other for now one of the quiet. Yeah, many kedu agwan say for man no work quiet. That is, you know, you like all those kind of life of it. I mean, they even they drag am. Even the birthday when my husband follow me go because the word of all driving my I have to beg. Other for me, all those kind of party things. Have a group now. Other for me, a very quiet person. Oh, let me like that. So no, why tell you man? Mo come do have my we back bed we because not be thing. You understand?
Yeah.
So, and not be other female. Father out too. Other female. So all those kind men, your reason.
You not be saying see now.
Your reason are pretty doctor. Or okay with every father. One of the responsible man visiting mama. Na come better way. Yeah, me put that na go that we marry. Oh, yeah, put that na that me here borrow every day. Oh, that thing they public job. That thing what are you for now? Blackie with that oh. Abi, do are disgrace me. You were your husband.
He said, "Man, can I go to driving license? Wait, to driving license na prestige. I want to know.
Your age.
Wait, so I just get now.
Yeah, okay. He used it to what?
I go to driving license to tell the baba.
And I'm working here.
I go do driving license just to see the monitor my up and down. Jobless.
Na me get the prick. Na my prick.
This is down top.
Yes, na be my husband side chick. Your husband get many side chick. But na me be my husband side chick. Wow. A useless. Because you don't get what you want to talk about my husband.
A queen of shame and disgrace to me. Wow. Only you're a queen of shame and there's no self.
You know better pass person where they cheat follow everything. Your husband.
May I tell you what happened just now? When she did live video, she just want let people know say go fit talk to her because as she just take call me in the live video, me not want to say that your I think say na phone she take call you. I don't know say she use another account because as me come down, I can't pump on her video for her enter. She's come to tell the say person come to write for comment section say Lady J. He say no the Lady J when you know no fit talk.
Big Lady J, they hear what they talk, they hear them.
No, wait. Let pretty doctor talk.
Big Lady J, they hear what they talk, they hear
So
very useless human being.
You get the wash and saga. She did
left. Yeah, she did left stream Lady J. She did left.
Nadia they play for you, Lady J. More yeah, what she
No, she didn't left. Yes, now before they
talk. May you low our side, Nadia. May you play now. Low our side.
Before you come talk to me, go to driving school and go and get driving license. Go and get car before you come talk to me. I don't be smart pikin.
Baka.
Go driving school and get license.
Baka.
If you shop for you. Talk to me. Are you mad?
Upon the driving license where you get now, that from where
I'm
you
the
get.
queen of Germany. You don't know me, no person.
Upon the driving license, why the man say they cheat?
This not their fan. Why the man no cheat?
Why the man say
the
they
man
cheat?
Queen of Germany. Only me one at school. Queen of Germany. God tap. I'll be queen of
Why
Germany.
your husband say they cheat?
Baka, I don't tell her for go. You know your name not come out for go.
I get driving license for Germany and I forget my driving license.
Oh, why I get driving
don't tap your
license? I
name
get
for
driving
go. Your
license.
name not come out.
Why the man say they cheat upon the driving
Get
license?
I get everything. I
Wow,
do.
bro.
I go now they
Don't
talk.
cry. Don't not cry. 100 years to go. I don't forget driving license. Something that account. I won't
Yeah,
forget.
yeah, but my husband get. You never got to the drive. My
Driving
husband
license.
get.
Driving license. Yes, I love boy.
Wow, wow, queen.
So just say that is the only achievement she have. That is the only best achievement she have. Now let that one be the best achievement.
Upon
wey
the
she
driving
get.
license, your husband
Body
say
of
they
the pepper and body of the pepper on my the top your husband to you kill yourself. You go pepper you. Your husband see the enter your husband car. I still the enter your husband car. I still the enter your husband car. I still the enter your husband car. Wow, who I still the enter.
I don't get. Not only driving license and car. Now I don't get for this life. I don't get on that thing. When I want to say I can't talk everything come aside so that when I can say this woman a big woman, I don't fit talk everything. God forbid.
He no sabi speak English. He no sabi speak English. He no sabi speak English.
You know, say me.
Why you white they cheat?
upon the driving. Why God because they prepare you now, queen? Thank God say you dey live streaming. Upon the driving license when you get now.
They don't give una sense.
Why the man say they cheat? Why did they come up for us? You come back weekend.
Body of the pepper and body of the pepper and I
Upon the driving license, why the man say they go different leg they go? A queen in a great world, you know the same. You say my husband a quiet person. Why you get married last man? Why they cheat?
Because when you are useless forever.
Lady J husband better pass you. Your husband prick not there side.
You know they outside.
Forever.
You know they outside. Wow,
I reject you. I hate you. Like from the one who felt like you because why? I don't say you be slow poison.
It's slow poison. At least your husband will be fast poison now.
Me we still not be friends now. We not be
Bon sister under 7 years. Generally
and then
money.
now they are mute. Now they are move that this thing. Nonsense. Now move the warrior. You understand? You know say when you marry dog, you marry public dog. So you know get direction. In fact, he don't put herself on low self-esteem. He don't believe so that he will ever see my again for his life.
She should go and cover her face with shame.
Yeah, so he don't believe say he not go see man again for his life. So now only this is we have made the man all we are. Esi ga we are lele. We know say that time, but don't want to talk that time. Esi ga all we are. He may be shocking way. Me ya say we lo we no we have it on here. Wow, ma wey dey smell. Ma wey dey smell.
I better car yesterday. The J they say it needs. See, if you want to do something, you clean your house before person come. You know me say that person needs. If one no person wey needs, you go in your house unexpectedly. Like you tell no needs. Not me say you want to do something, you can't clean house. Wait for people when they come. You can't say needs because that woman without be to you know say na tie na what do they call it? Tico. Off here.
Peter do me well.
Why that man here? We are going to be the man. We are the guy. No le gbe ga we na we ma na we.
Don't let the guy Morocco.
Was supposed to know where you know about.
So the orange basket in here, if you're talking, you might have perfume about your panel that for no we have spray egg boss cigar.
What take gbe ga we are. Wa zu I want to go me the TikTok. Wa do go me go queen. Wa gbe. E better make I marry person we be slow poison e go on. Then you marry a mumu no really ya.
No, you better say you marry slow president. So you marry that man where resemble Jebu or Dekpomo.
That is there.
A shame and disgraceful.
Ọ̀dọ̀ fún mi àti type. So na ko ta ìfọ́pá mi ba ni o be ma even ya gbé o ma like all those things. So na make you see say offering me iladian iya ri emi ibe adi o wa cause wọ́n yin yen le gbe me. Wa gbe o. Your husband when not dey use that see woman, you go must so some. As you see get shape preach, your husband is still dey carry the one wey dey carry you even see better pass them. You know they shame me. If I be you, I'll be reason.
Something is not right about her.
What did they happen to me? Now upon everything. Upon say you see the five people go help you look children. May you still go.
The driving license when you say you do car when you carry one and car when you use children money back for the man. Now the man say they carry small girls say they do trees so you
know they shame for that. If na me, I would dey shame. If na me, I would dey shame.
The man they use am when they carry.
You know what I mean? Talk your matter. Carry your husband shame and disgrace. Enter house. When you get shame, carry and enter house. Carry and enter house. When you get shame. The man. I rather marry man. Wait, be say you know they so. All prepare that for when I come mugume. Or what prepare eh? I come mugume. When the DJ. Oh no now. Oh why? Oh go for Ekberi. And I come. What go where? A public dog. Any or what many woman toast. Or how many one toast? A bola any a special. I remember me have a gwen. I don't know I am the life you. Now you marry pass.
Yeah, say you want testing now. I get up that way. They book here, beg here. Queen of disgrace. I am woof. I will be a
disgrace in the way. Oh well, like that me. Why they insult my husband? That one, our husband. Where they not go insult. Public dog. I have a tell husband. Ekita.
My sister, she beg finish. So comment. What is this lady right? Fresh queen. She begging. No get finish now because today now she can't say many women. She want advise women make they do driving license. They go make they drive for back.
If they look for money, the public dog.
Because we analyze now and say and person still go do license. Don't be saying you want to use and carry your children. Go not say you want to use and they do around. You want to use and they monitor
the Babama.
She can't come up. She get the guts to come up. All the insult host. They say why go and put that video for what you will carry your shame and disgrace come live. They no people go shame.
If you don't get shame, at the end you shame your shame. So you go ask your phone. You go ask your husband. You go ask your husband for so that he gets the toast. You know that. Queen dey gbé wo wọ́n máa mú òrìrì máa gbé kọ ọ̀tẹ̀ bọ̀ mẹ́sìn. Queen dey gbé wo
almost done. Instead of you to enter house, when you go think whether you will use coconut water wash your head, you carry nyash, you carry front. But that's why we be every year. Instead every year you do the you say now you first time go do marriage. You say you'll give her 80% of all the property where government don't help you achieve. You should be ashamed of
that. Yes, sister, even when we marriage, they TikTok you. When we marriage, when I go to marry, when I go to do marriage, when I go to do court marriage, benefit there.
You know that
TikTok now. We can know we cut marriage.
Also, no way to do live video.
My sister, I don't want to go on live video. And I damn you.
Blackie, why guize,
all those titles in there, I have saga something.
Well, like yeah.
Okay, so, you know, that video. That video where now where I don't tell the story of that for even or what different women Erian said do a gear, a do a phone or that thing. Or where the man or what we had a fish back, the man by Friday, all the already Sunday.
Refish bar, a room refish bar now, yeah.
Imagine oh, egbe we me a na queen. Awe the man. Although we awe the man, maybe I call we yen de o, or I stay you. Even a search call that for every day my thing. On the do go on. Search call that for him.
You one yours, you.
Awe inside the guana. Awe the man. Awe the
Take camera,
okay.
na fake account, so let the get take camera.
Awe the okay dey ya here. Awe but yen ti see anybody. Awe that thing no. Awe yan ye me ki aga bu we oku obe. Awe yen ye wiper. Yen ya hion. Yen ye wiper ya hion yen dey gbe ye la wa.
Yo, the girl, this is she may go married, no get married man. No, the girl may go married, no get married man.
Awe the man ya to see ya. Whether me na de ka so ge isa chicken oro ai ni. Awe abi ni yen ga ta lo na wa do amu wo. We dey yeah, wa mi da fin ye with oku obe. Yen wa ye wiper ya hin ki aga. Yen mula wa da fin ye no. Awe many women go born for many people. Husband. The way no vision now. Iye ko ni an get that fin iye when I all that who when I ga wan gbo. That okay live video. Imagine insulted. If you want aware that video, me na we you know why you pay no sense. You know why we ya na. Yeah, the way the way no a man ya fool you. You know because a man na dey love you. When I me when they go talk.
To talk, yeah.
You know the man all you hear even with all those things. You know when you say when I dey me alabia, me I make na age. You know we see years all you hear. You know we have there him up by your worry. You know a public dog or marry my sister. If we marry because you get in that video. If I wasn't there, the video made you. If I wasn't there, no other one you do like video where Lady J. Now me queen of TikTok, can I fake account? When I queen of TikTok, why they talk to me? I don't ever analyze. You know, you never analyze, but if you know I'm going to talk about you for not bring a comment. Yeah. Now you bring the matter comment, so I have to analyze them. Away, you they mad? I don't want to everyone.
Away now that your husband, wait, quiet like he enemy quiet like mumu. You're the because your husband, not be smart. You don't want to prove your that thing.
If I didn't have the phone,
I didn't buy a night do. I mean, I do you know joy. Now I can get it.
Anyway, you better be married, mumu Nora. Dani me ya maro ya no gelele ya kan ya me be gume.
Come here. They can't washing your secret. We have a fake account in mania. Your husband will be dog. Your husband will be this. Your husband will be this. We first no first when mama the matter la dey made the video. We na wa le lo that phone you na wa le le na wa le le. Na
You know I believe now. When
show
this
your face, show your
this
face,
issue,
Nadia. May we see you. Show your face.
this issue self, before they happen, I they come black is this. I wanted to my mommy. When this issue they happen, it not really concern me like that because me now hey
I dey see your comment for there since one of the attack.
now yes we many now onto level now your husband take carry me but based on say it to come sweet and your husband come day. You understand? Because now daybreak now your husband carry me. I can't there for birthday. I can't join me for birthday. Now your husband see me carry me for daybreak. You understand? Your husband pay me better money, 850. Now he give me aside. Based on say because come sweet and it costs more the dates. I cost the dates.
But Nadia, you gonna go where you gonna bear my twist today? Why you gonna bear you be Nadia not be shy chic? Why you gonna bear my twist today, Nadia?
Nadia is
not you, and Nadia is not. Nadia not gonna do shy chic.
Mama, sorry, Mama Nora, the girl with me and I got the girl when they say if they send money always they comment section beauty baby. Now me. When I come they give because I have to carry phone. I don't even know say you don't marry. Now when I come carry phone one day, she say put hand for one of your wife breast and hand. Now say
okay, Nadia, you don't know see you don't marry. Nothing see you don't marry.
Now they break he carry me now. I love the tutu man. I can't fall in love. No be me. Now from they break now enter there now. So based on say it's sweet, we come from there. We come the I don't come up belly 2 times. Don't say they beg me when we born. I say no, my own to gather money. They find money. I'm not there for all those ones. Jesus. Because me na Benjamin they stay. I can't go Benjo. As me they talk to you now, I dey Holland, I also come out, I go back. So I don't get time for all those ones. Now when the woman come on, they like, it just come on social media, they say women need to do this one. Now they say your husband they cheat too.
Say get to na bekus.
Now me I get your husband brokos, now I make poku, I get him. Now I say your husband will be saying I be the dogun of cheating. Now you still on the advice women for social media. Me I don't even leave yoga. I don't dump and give another girl don't carry them. They get the comment section as we they talk now. No go talking name. No concern me. Baby, no mention your name. You understand? Now so the issue they happen. Now so it happen. We just come outside tell and say your husband still they cheat. Oh, your husband still they cheat. Not the advice of that people.
I see your number. What you call it? Call
He
you.
fed the, because he knows that time your husband not the sleepers now.
That's the way I your husband for.
Your husband not the sleepers now that time. And me because of me hack your husband phone. Your husband not for the sleepers that time. You know the sleepers.
About your bury my disrespect all day. Make I do me my wife not know all day. Yeah, that girl, your husband shitness and disrespect. Very big disrespect.
God will bless you, man.
Too much of things, but I don't say no man good though, okay, but all you said, be. All you said, be. Okay, you know say your husband good that. You say you put because the fish bar where he said many people not go, say they follow. Me don't go that fish bar. Even if my carry woman come, they sit down gentle.
Okay.
You don't go even know say man carry woman come say. You don't go even know but no woman they no woman go they sit down for my lap, they rub man, they kiss man. You obvious say, hey, this man carry woman come oh, this man carry woman come oh. Everybody they sit down gentle, they shop in fish, they drink, they share body on top of fish head there. Because when me see that advice, I shock. So you don't need to say men women anywhere you go, anywhere the man go. Another one we call vex me. He say go do driving license because they say be in one advice or say driving license so they carry to the come out. He say go do driving license in case the man your move follow her. Jesus. In case the man your move. Not many people don't die for this thing. Me all no one for Roma. Accident we see because say person you call and say your husband sit down with. Your husband sit down with whom before this start if you see this accident, he affect this is that womb. He spinal cord and womb. Thank God, after 6 months, this woman fit a worker till now she know if he born again because it affects the womb. Okay. Because of man. The man will because of accident now he and the man not there again.
Not there.
The man don't marry now. Boyfriend don't be husband though. Your boyfriend do with a woman or your character. As me see that because people don't see this video.
People know say my backup. I want to receive call for you.
People know say this kind of thing women more not try say to the follow my up and down. If you not get the opportunity, say you want to follow your husband and go out. But then you don't see the opportunity, don't kill yourself. Yeah. Your husband, he go out. Nobody gonna use for the coca-cola. If man go sit down because his man make example say, my husband not go fish bar. Now you ask me for the year, screen for me. Screen for me. Can you send me sweet voice? Can you send me sweet voice notes? Now you ask, my husband not go fish bar. I do not forget, my husband go fish bar where they say send me sweet voice notes. Send me sweet voice note. I cannot wait for you to scream for me and grab your boost. Now you ask he did. So if man want do anything, they go do anything. Yours than a prayer. Say me get fear for you. Me not carry sickness. Go man go to fear. Go to cheat. If they even as a thing for I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. No, it's not be bad for if you want follow man to say you want follow man. No problem. No be to follow us. Say me no go carry woman. Man go see carry. No be inside my ass me there when they for the same voice note. But it's not like that. When before the yes send me sweet voice note. You don't go by, not go club, you not go anywhere. Now it's so why monitoring my up and down. But this more life you're so life will no longer again. Life no longer again. You want to get sick person give us a car. Size person give us a car issue. You see the verse say size person give us a car tissue progress of man. Man go come give us health issue when based on be that man creators. God forbid.
Not talk about that for me, you know that. I want that for me and the I want to tell you ba or back because the type of man no. I hope that we may ye amuwe ya kwa that many. And that way when we amuwe ya kwa we no be out ba because a public dog man a marry. Public dog. Man a marry. Because I'm not married a public dog, I marry. Your husband.